In this video, I'll guide you through how to add funds to your Steam wallet. Adding money to your Steam wallet is a quick and easy way to pay for games, downloadable content, in-game items, and other purchases on Steam. Once the funds have been added, they'll be available to use whenever you're ready to make a purchase. To get started, open the Steam app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account Details. On the Account Details page, you'll find information about your account, including your current Steam wallet balance. Look for the option labeled Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click on it. You'll now see several wallet amounts that you can add. Choose the amount you'd like to purchase, then click Add Funds next to your preferred option. Next, select the payment method you'd like to use. Steam supports a variety of payment methods, although the available options may vary depending on your region. After selecting your payment method, enter the required billing information if prompted. Take a moment to review the details to make sure everything is correct before continuing. Once you're ready, click Continue to complete the transaction. Steam will process your payment, and after it's successful, the selected amount will be added to your Steam wallet balance. You can now use those funds to purchase games, downloadable content, software, or other eligible items available on the Steam store. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added funds to your Steam wallet and they're ready to use for your next purchase.